welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I just hope you stay and you check my other videos out. And if you are a returnee, a golden oldie, thank you so much for choosing to watch another video. I really appreciate you. I'm back with another hair video. I forgot the name of the shop. I need to check the name of the shop. It's Tahikie official store. As I did say in my very first hair video, I mentioned like I'm trying to go the glueless route because guys, installer, I feel like it's not my thing. So I decided to get this short one for like an everyday, more like an everyday look. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it today because I installed it yesterday. I liked it, but today I'm not sure how I feel about it. Or I think it's because it has obviously dried up because I used the Aunt Jackie defining curl custard yesterday, and it was really nice and wet. This is what the Tahikie one comes in. It comes in this plastic. They gave me a black wig caps and they also gave me lashes. I think this is a 20-inch, if not 22 inches curly wig. Why do I feel like it's shorty? Super soft, super soft, super soft. So this one doesn't have the adjustable straps that this wig has. So it doesn't have these straps, which for me is kind of a letdown. I feel like the straps are great for glueless wigs, but let's see. So as you know, we obviously have to tint the lace. I realized yesterday that the tint, I forgot to like add more color to the lace. It just didn't work, so I forgot about that. So I'm going to add a lot of the lace. So because there's a lot, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a lot of the product on the lace, so it's gonna take quite a while to dry. This is what it looks like when it's dry. Okay. I feel like the wig needs a bit of plucking, but I'm not sure if I should do it. I feel like I can get away with not plucking the lace if I just open like a side part situation. I need longer hair, guys. I just hate Uti. Is this 20 inches? Because this looks like 18. I'm gonna use the famous wax stick. As I did say, if you don't have this, I need you to run. I don't think you need mousse if you have this. This is the final look. This is what I managed to come up with, so I'm really happy with the hair. I think you can decrease the amount of time you take to get ready. Who's calling me? Another thing that I've noticed, like, I'm super lazy. Like, I'm a hack kind of girl. If there's a shortcut to a shortcut, I'll definitely you know, take it. I'll definitely use that because I get bored easily. Like within the getting ready process, there are points where I'm like, okay, I'm done. Like, I don't want to do this anymore. So that's why I just decided to move to glueless wigs. So far I'm really happy with the wigs that I got. I'm just unhappy with the color. I really don't understand why I chose black hair. I feel like with the full face of makeup, it's going to be a banger. And this brings me to the end of the video. Like the video, guys, Sana. Leave a comment down below. Do you prefer long wigs? Do you prefer short wigs? Do you like this unit? Do you want to see more color? Do you want to see more hair videos? Do you want to see me spending more money that I don't have? If you want that kind of, you know, toxicity in your life, that kind of motivation to spend money that you don't have in your life, just leave a comment down below, like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.